This is Ronda, one of the oldest and most spectacular cities in Spain. But what makes it truly crazy is where it's built. It's literally sitting on the edge of a massive cliff. The city is split in two by a deep canyon, and for a long time the two sides were disconnected. That is, until they built this masterpiece, El Puente Nuevo. Now, don't let the name fool you. It's called the New Bridge, but it was actually finished in 1793. It took 34 years to build it and is nearly 100 meters high.
After seeing the bridge, we decided to get lost in the streets. Everything is so beautiful and feels so Spanish. We love the white houses and the narrow paths. It's the perfect place to just walk around and enjoy the vibes. This is Plaza del Socorro, the heart of the modern part of town. It's exactly what you imagine when you think of Spain. A beautiful fountain, a stunning church, and people just enjoying life at the outdoors cafes. It's the perfect place to take a break, grab a coffee, and just people watch. There's a statue here too, of Hercules with two lions, which is a big symbol of this region. The vibe here, 10 out of 10. walking through the narrow streets of Ronda, we went to Almeda del Tajo. It's a beautiful park with huge trees and lots of shades. It's been here for over 200 years, it's the best place to relax and take a breath after a long walk. Right next to the park, we found the famous balcony of fear. And I'm not joking, it's 100 meters dropped straight down. The view is amazing, you can see the whole valley and the mountains far away. It's a bit scary, but it's the perfect way to finish our trip to Ronda, and the view is just wow.
Next up, the Plaza de Toros of Ronda. It's one of the oldest and most famous bull rings in the world. It was built way back in 1785, and this is actually the place where the modern style of bullfighting was born. But here's the thing, you won't see any bullfights here today. They haven't held regular events in this arena for years because they want to preserve it as a museum and a monument. Even if you're not a fan of the sport, the architecture is incredible, it's made entirely of stone and it feels like a Roman Colosseum. Alright, it's time to leave Ronda behind and head out to our next stop. We're jumping in the car and driving to Setenil de las Bodegas. It's a super short trip, only about 20 to 30 minutes driving through these rolling hills and olive groves typical for southern Spain. But get ready, because where we're going, the architecture is totally different. We're moving from a city on top of a cliff to a town that's literally built inside the rock. Let's go!
We arrived around 4 p.m. and just a heads up for you guys, at this time most restaurants in Spain are closed for a break. It can be a bit tricky to find a place to eat, but we got lucky and found this spot called La Tasca, and let me tell you, it was a great choice. Everything we ordered was delicious. But the best part? The interior. Just look at this. The entire restaurant is built directly into the rock. It looks incredible and the vibe is so unique. If you're coming here, you definitely have to check this place out.
So that's it for Ronda and Setenil de las Bodegas, two of the most unique places I've ever seen. But now I want to hear from you. Which one was your favorite? The dramatic views of Ronda or the crazy cave streets of Setenil? And which one would you want to visit first? Write it down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for our next adventure. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!